Hello, friends. Today I'm going to discuss one very common asked question, basically asked by students from your computer science branch or electronics branch. Okay, their question is, sir, basically this GDM is or this graphics subject is not useful to us. This is the common question asked by some of the computer science or electronics student to me, sir, why do we need to study this engineering graphics? Okay, because this subject is more inclined toward your mechanical or civil engineering students. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you why this subject is important for computer science or electronics student. Let's see it. Today we are living in a multidisciplinary world. Okay, multidisciplinary world. What is the meaning of this multidisciplinary world? Suppose you take an example of any real world application or any situation. Everywhere you will not see that it is being completed by a single domain of engineering. Okay, suppose we talk about our laptop or mobile phone. Okay, in construction of your mobile phone, you need the software that is running behind the screen. You need some electronic circuits, IC chips, memory, so many electronic devices inside. And the material engineering is also coming into picture. How to make the material more stronger, more durable. Okay. Mm, as well as the, what we can say, uh, the shape of the mobile phone, where different components will be allocated. So in the case of the example of your mobile phone, here we can see multidisciplinary branches are coming into the picture. Okay, a computer engineer alone cannot make this mobile phone. Okay, or to build those IC chips, or to build this frame or the outer structure of this mobile phone. Okay, there are so many machines are used to fabricate or manufacture this. So knowingly or unknowingly, uh, all the branches or many branches is involved in the manufacturing or production of this mobile phone. So we can say any real world application is multidisciplinary in nature. Okay, academically we need to study the subject of our chosen domain. Okay, here uh, we have a strength of 120 students here. Okay, maybe some of them are belonging from electronics, some of them has chosen computer science, some of you have chosen civil engineering, and some of you are from mechanical department. Okay, so in your first year of engineering, some subjects of other domain, okay, the domain which you have not opted to study, okay, the subjects are taught to you. A glimpse of other domain is given because it is very much essential. Okay, point to be noted, it is very much essential later in life to function as a real engineer in your chosen domain. Maybe now, today, or tomorrow, you need these other domain subjects. Okay, maybe mechanical engineer is going to study some other domain subjects belonging to electronics or programming languages. Okay, or a computer engineer or IT engineer is going to study this engineering graphics subject. Okay, so maybe today or tomorrow, knowingly or unknowingly, it is going to help you in your career. Okay, so in your first year of engineering, glimpse of the subjects of other domain are being taught to each and every student. Suppose I'm taking the example of CSE and ECE because these two branches students are used to ask me, sir, why do we need to study this engineering graphics? Anyhow, this is useful for mechanical or civil students. That's why I'm answering. Suppose CSE or ECE engineer has to design a CPU, okay, which is the brain of computer. Okay, CPU is termed as the brain of the computer. You being a CSE or ECE domain, how will you able to express your design idea? Okay, to express your design idea, how you will express it? It can happen only through your engineering drawing. Okay, whether you express the design of CPU, which may contain 60 million transistors, a RAM chip. Okay, we all know that there are so many transistors, so many memory chips or RAM chips are there inside your CPU, which should fit into your DIMM slots. Okay, or some USB slots, which could be plugged into your future devices. Manufacturing can happen only when there is a detailed engineering drawing. Detailed engineering drawing. Okay, if there is some detailed engineering drawing, then only manufacturing can occur about the things to be fabricated. Okay, if the detailed engineering drawings for the things to be fabricated is there, then only manufacturing can occur. This is where engineering drawing plays a major role. Okay, so CSE or ECE engineers should have this ability to express their own ideas. They must have the ability to express the idea as a drawing and convey this to others so that it can be manufactured. Of course, manufacturing will be done by your mechanical or production or metallurgical engineers. Okay, so this is where it is important for your CSE or your EC students. Okay, a computer engineer never complained about, okay, who lives in a house designed by a civil engineer. They drives a car manufactured by automobile engineer, uses the gadgets created by a mechanical engineer. List go on. This is a long list. So this is also true to the engineers from other discipline. Okay, that's why in the beginning I have told you that this is a multidisciplinary world. This term that I have used, that this is a multidisciplinary world. Okay, now let we have a multidisciplinary mindset also and peep into other domains. Okay, probably you will find a treasure in the engineering. Okay, so I hope many of our students got the answer why the students with other domain they should opt or they should study this engineering graphics subject. Okay, thank you.